All right, vetters, today we are going to be taking a closer look at this viral picture right here. You see, this is being shared everywhere, and it shows the surface of Mars. Now, it allegedly shows what looks to be like some sort of a structure, right? Some sort of a cubed, squared structure. Who built that, right? I don't know. Aliens? We'll find out. Let's dive in, see what this photo is all about. All right, so let's start at the beginning. Right, this tweet was put out by Chris Ramsey, who runs Area 52. I've covered him many times on the channel. I've even had him on the show. Great guy. And he posts this out, right? He says, photo from square structure on Mars posted to Reddit. It is indeed real. This image originates from the Mars Global Surveyor's Mars Orbiter camera, MOC. More on that in a second. The original image can be viewed through Arizona State University Mars Image Explorer. We'll get to that in just a moment. And basically, yeah, that's the picture, right? Boom, saying, right, you can see the structure here, right? Square structure. Okay, and then you've got this one, which clearly has been doctored, right? For sure. It's definitely been added, the lines to make that stick out more. But even this picture looks a little funny. So let's take a closer look because I went and looked for this picture on the original source, and we found it. It comes from right here. They take these long, like panoramic vertical pictures, right? Little slices, and you can see right here, that's basically what this is, right? It's a slice from this part of Mars, right? So that line, it's basically right up here at the top. That's where this square structure is, right? So that's the sliver it's coming from in a huge crater, right? So it's at the top over here, right? Which if we zoom in, boom, we got it, right? There it is. Now, you take a look at that, it definitely still has a square structure to some extent, right? Especially this part right here and this top part. But even down here, you can see that this line clearly goes over here, does follow its way up. You could kind of infer, right? And depending on little Photoshop techniques you give it, it looks a lot more square or cube. But either way, just the original photo right here, it looks interesting, right? Look at that. This is the original, right? A screenshot from what I just showed you, right? From the Mars Orbiter camera. You can find all this stuff online, get all the data. So there it is. It definitely looks interesting, right? There's zero question that without anything done, just looking at it, it looks unusual, right? For it to have 90 degree, because they say nature doesn't do 90 degrees, y'all. Nature doesn't do cubes and squares. More on that in a second. Now, this is where it's coming from, right? So you can see the marker there, 462, right? And if we go back to the original, right down here at the bottom, 462, right? So this is the same image, right? And it's basically, again, they're just showing you all the different lines of pictures that they have. So they've got pictures of all of these different red lines right here. And this one is taken from inside this crater, right? So boom, we come over here. Again, that's where this is being taken from. So at the very top over here, there's that structure, right? The square structure, right? Boom. But let's keep going. Why stop there? Now, if you look at the height and width of that, it's 61 kilometers tall, 3 kilometers wide. So basically this is, right, 61 kilometers long, 3 kilometers wide. And when you zoom in on that picture and get this picture, that's the edges, y'all. So this thing is just under 3 kilometers wide. So this thing is massive, right? That's pretty huge. 3 kilometers is basically two miles. So this is just under 2 miles big. That's huge. That's a huge structure or natural formation or whatever you want to call it. Is it because at this scale it looks more cubed and square than it is? If you got closer, it wouldn't be. I don't know. Right? How many things on the surface of Earth that are formed naturally would look that way if you just zoomed it out on it? All right, so let's see here. All right, let's move on. So I've put the images together. So the one to the... Wait a second. Okay, there we go. So the one to the right here is the one I found, right? This one right here. This is the one I screenshotted from the original image. Then you've got the ones that Chris Ramsey posted. And this left one he's saying is coming from this, but it has a lot more detail and structure added to it, especially around the edges. So it's just, contrast, shading, something's been added to it to make it look more square for sure. There's no question, just some coloring. But either way, even without it, you still get that structure, right? So I think it was just sort of enhanced. But that, as far as I can tell, is not the original image. And, of course, this one to the right here definitely added something to it. But, again, definitely looks odd. But both of these pictures that got put up that were shared on Reddit that Chris then shared were definitely doctored. So I'm not saying they were dramatically changed. This one definitely to the right was, but this one definitely was added more thick. You could see, right, look at the top here. See how that's all shaded differently than the original picture here? They just brought out more of the blacks and more of the thing, that right? It gives it more of a structure, right? More depth. But stuff was definitely added. There's zero question. So then we start to ask ourselves, what is this? Pyrite. Somebody had put in the comments about this. Pyrite. And this is formed naturally, right? Look at these cubes, these squares you get out of it. That's all natural, naturally formed. Now, granted, these are small, right? Well, we talked about that structure, that imprint, right, this is roughly, this is 3 kilometers across. So it's probably about 2.5 kilometers, right? Way bigger than all these pieces. Look at this guy's got in his hand, right? These are all big pieces. But what's interesting about pyrite, a mineral that can form cubes, has been found in Martian meteorites. Just saying, right? Pyrite has been found in Martian meteorites. So it's saying that this is quite prevalent on Mars. Could it create structures that are 3 kilometers across? Big? That's, something I don't know. But it is interesting that you can find these cubes, right, that just form naturally like that. I mean, look at that. Look how beautiful they look, just in the rock like that. That's literally, if I saw that, I'm thinking that's alien. I'm thinking that's some sort of alien cube, genie in a cube, going to come out and give me some wishes. It looks definitely not natural, right? So I can understand the confusion. Now, here's a quick little video to kind of show y'all.
This might free it up.
Look how small it is.
Let's see what we're working with here.
I'm not saying they can't grow that big.
Oh, there you go. No, the big one's getting loose.
But these are definitely smaller. But look, they grab these little pieces out. They even get this piece out. Look at that.
What's the other side?
It's...
Oh my God.
That's crazy cool.
Look at that. That is cool looking. Is that the thing that's on Mars? But just massive? Again, it would quite literally have to be massive. to get to that size, because this is what we're looking at. But this is the original picture. And again, the original picture itself, just screenshotting it from the picture they uploaded, again, from this original picture, right? This long picture, right? And if you zoom in, it's at the top, right up here. Boom, you find that square structure. And there it is, right? Zoomed in. And again, this other one, definitely these two have been manipulated. But even without the manipulation, it's still a very interesting picture. What they should have done is just use this picture, right? Put another one next to it, and then just drawing like a red square to show what you're kind of pointing at. But this really, you know, changes things, makes it look more than what it is. But without it, it's still huge. Could it still be this pyrite? That just seems so unlikely to me that it would be this big. But what do I know? I'm not a rock expert. If it's possible to be that small, could it be that big? And there are just these massive pyrite, you know, structures that get built. But regardless, it still shows that cubes or 90-degree angles or, right, squares get created naturally. It's a natural phenomena. So it doesn't necessarily mean that it's, you know, made by some sort of intelligence or a structure, right? That's all I'm saying. All right, y'all. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and that helped answer some questions about Mars and what's on the surface. I mean, we don't know. We don't have it all explored. We don't even have the moon explored. We don't even have all of Earth explored. So this idea that, you know, it's nothing to see here, folks. I don't know. Definitely an interesting picture and definitely an interesting shape. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This was a lot of fun. I'll put links in the description so you can go check it out for yourself. We'll see you on the next one. Remember, every day's a gift, y'all. Peace.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep.